Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shiba Inu Coin. US government finally says something important about its Shiba Inu news as a reaction to US President Joe Biden's executive order on crypto earlier this week. The Financial Stability Oversight Council released its own long-awaited report today. The report asked Congress to define the line between a security and something that is not a security, at least when it comes to crypto. In this video, we'll talk about the news that the US government has finally said something important about the Shiba Inu coin. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba enterprise forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu price forecast is slightly bearish because the meme coin broke the symmetrical triangle pattern and is now trading at 1,106 cents. Even though 1.72 trillion SHIB were pulled from the exchange, SHIB fails to gain bullish momentum. Shiba for All Time, the first collectible card game about Shiba Inus, just came out on mobile systems around the world for people to download and play. Many people wondered how the news would affect the way people felt about cryptocurrencies. So far, Shiba Inu hasn't said much about the story. According to data from the blockchain, Shiba Inu whale just cashed out $1.72 trillion worth of SHIB from the Huobi coin market. This may be good news for the price of SHIB. Shiba Inu's withdrawal deal used to be worth about $19.4 million, but now it's worth less than $19.1 million. Most of the time, a single whale or a group of buyers is behind such big deals. Whales usually move money from an exchange to their pockets. This kind of market buying pressure can be good for the price of meme coins. Shiba Eternity's Twitter account recently told its fans how the contest it announced in September is going. People were supposed to make a 32-second long video for the SHIB game. All entries to the contest must include gameplay clips of Shiba Eternity, showing things like attributes, disciplines, cards, and fights. At the rate of trade, 451,263,537 meme coins will be given to the winner. The Shiba Eternity team has said that they will use the messaging service Discord to get in touch with the winners directly. This makes Shiba Inus feel more confident. But the strong US dollar seems to keep the joke coin from being bullish. Shiba Inu is now selling at $0.11, and in the last 24 hours, $107,543,318 worth of it has changed hands. In the last 24 hours, the price of Shiba Inu has gone up by 0.4%. With a current market cap of $6,082,715,819, CoinMarketCap is now ranked 14th. On the technical side, the SHIB has broken through the symmetrical triangle pattern at 1,119 cents, and the closing of bearish candles below this level suggests a possible decline. Continuation leading technical indicators like the RSI and MACD show that there is a movement to sell. SHIB can try to reach the triple bottom level of 1,082 cents, and a break below this can give sellers more room to sell until 1,055 cents. SHIB may run into instant resistance near 1,119 cents, where a 50-day moving average is long and the upward trend line has been broken before. To sum up, Shiba Inu is probably not going to be worth $1 before 2022. If people want Shiba Inus more, the price could go up past 1,119 cents and reach 1,157 cents. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are two coins that have done well in recent days. The Shiba Eternity game just came out, but it is already one of the most talked about Shiba Inu goods. After good tests in Vietnam and Australia, the game was released around the world a few days ago. The number of downloads of the Shiba Eternity game is already growing quickly, and that growth is likely to continue in the days to come. This acceptance is likely to have a big effect on the growth of the Shiba Inu share price in the next few days. Crypto experts think that when the Eternity game comes out and millions of fans start playing it, the demand for SHIB will go through the roof. This is one way the price of the SHIB will start to go up. The Shibas and the Shibarium are also important items that will make the Shiba Inu price go through the roof because so many people will buy them. Shiba Forever. The mobile game made by Shiba Inu and PlaySide Studios is a big reason why the market is going up. Reports say that the game was one of the top 20 apps on Apple's App Store on the day it came out. Shiba Eternity is a free card game that involves planning. It is also part of the plan to burn ships. In-game transactions are subject to token burns, which help to lower the number of ships in circulation. Shiba Forever has been getting a lot of attention. On its first day, 10,000 people downloaded it. According to data from CoinMarketCap, trade volume for Shiba Inu's governance token and Bone jumped by more than 205% all of a sudden. But the price of Bone kept going down, which made many people wonder what could have happened. At the time this article was written, Bone was selling at $1.12, which was 13.47% less than it had been the day before. Any product with a high level of volatility tends to have more trades because experienced traders buy and sell large amounts to make money. In the same way, a rise in Bone volume could be because buyers want to buy Bone at its low price now. Traders may be rushing to take advantage of the chance that recent price changes have given them. But some experts say that the total number of units traded or the volume of trading between buyers and sellers is not a good way to figure out who is an investor. Bone rose the most in August, going from $2 to $2.39, an all-time high for the month. Soon after this peak, on August 30, the price of Bone dropped to a level that bulls couldn't keep above $1.63 at the end of September. This caused the price to drop even more. Even though no one knows for sure what caused the dump, many people think it has to do with doubts about the Shibarium launch. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, says that the team hasn't set an official date for the release of Shibarium. In its most current update, the Layer 2 Shibarium Builder unification said it would be available in Q3 2022, or soon after the Shibarium public beta goes live. As of September, Bone coins were no longer being made because there were already more than 230 million of them. For the future Layer 2 of Shibarium to work, it will need to get 20 million bones, with rewards for validators and gas. Also, it is known that delegates will be paid at Bone for their work and for doing what they are supposed to do in the blockchain. In a good sign, the Shiba Inu team said that the official download date for the SHIB CCG game would be October 6. The Financial Stability Oversight Council finally released a long-awaited study on how to regulate cryptocurrencies. FSOC basically said that it thinks government agencies already have a lot of the power they need to keep an eye on large parts of the crypto sector. It did ask Congress to help with one thing, which was figuring out where the limits of securities rules should be. In other words, a lot of this wasn't really a surprise. In the US, the question is where the Securities and Exchange Commission's power ends. Where is the line between a crypto security and a crypto commodity? And when did the power of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission start? Congress hasn't really tried to find an answer. Some bills, like the DCC